How to upload images or video in Heygen? You may need to upload a photo or video from your system for your video, because you want that photo to be displayed in the video. Anyway, this is easily done in Heygen, and I will teach you now in 2 minutes. First, log into your account from this section. I put the link in the description. You have to enter your email here as well. I just did this and entered the first part of my account. And now in this section, I want to choose a template and enter the video section so that I can show you how you can do this. For example, this one. And yes, I think this is very good. Now here, for example, I want to upload an image from my system. I may want to display this image as a thumbnail next to this avatar or add it to this slide as a background image. Anyway, the first important thing is how to upload this image. Well, I also removed the extra things from this slide so that it doesn't distract us. Now click on Asset option in the left menu to upload. Now click on the Upload Asset option in this section. With this, you can upload anything you want. For example, image or video or even music. Click and select the desired item from your system. What I did now, as you can see, this image is being uploaded. The larger your file size, the longer it may take to upload. For example, video takes more time. As you can see, my photo has been uploaded here. And now, to move it to the slide, just click on it. You can use it as a small image on the page in the same way, or either you can use it as the background of your slide by right-clicking and selecting the background option. It depends on you how you want to use that image. Here, I told you how to upload a photo, and now you have to do exactly the same thing to upload a video. Even for uploading music, you have to act in this way. I just uploaded a video here, and after a few seconds it finishes uploading, and I can select it and move it to the slide. I changed the avatar position a bit so that the video movements that I uploaded be more visible to viewers. You can also do this for your videos. Like last time, you can use this as a small video inside the slide and put it as the background of your video. This is purely a matter of taste. Well, now if I play this video from below, you can see this very easily. I put the link in the description. I always try to teach everything in the simplest possible way. If this video was useful for you, please like it. Thank you.